So today I took on this crazy idea to rebuild a UC Torana. So it's a 1979 UC Torana, and it had some rust and more rust. So since buying the car, I've taken all the rust out of the car now. It's been sitting in primer for about 8 months now, in epoxy primer. We painted the bay, we painted all underneath the vehicle. All the fixtures and fittings have all been 2-packed in black polyurethane. Rebuilt a 350 Chev, 4-bolt main engine, paired up with a Muncie 4-speed gearbox, 3.5-inch custom built tail shaft, and a Ford 9-inch rear end. The dash in the car has also been taken out of the car. It's been epoxied, fiberglassed, moulded, and put back together. Obviously we're going to get rid of that steering wheel, which is horrible. Run with GDS steering wheel. All the brake system has been fully rebuilt on the car. It's got A9X Torana rear disc brakes, King's lowered, super low springs in the rear, lows in the front, all brand new brake lines, pads, hydraulic hoses. Car's been converted to a hydraulic clutch now as well. And the next steps will be to finish the electrical system in the car and get everything powered up before we move on to the last phase of the boat. So now we'll give it a little bit of a run, show you what she does.